Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening the Meet link for class. Click Join or Ask to Join. This immediately connects you. Once done, open the three-dot settings to verify camera, microphone, and speakers. Choose USB headset or internal mic as required. Make sure background blur or visual effects are off if performance lags. By testing audio and video now, you avoid interruptions and know why switching devices fixes most initial problems. You now handle the core controls that keep class running smoothly. Mute yourself when not speaking to reduce noise. Press and hold space to talk, then release to mute again. If you need captions or a transcript, enable CC so content is clearer. This helps comprehension. When presenting, pick Share Screen and select either Window, Tab, or Entire Screen. Choose Tab plus Share Audio for videos. Also, pin or tile the lecture to keep focus, because layout choices affect engagement. You wrap up by leaving or ending the meeting and saving any recording to Drive so classmates can review. After class, copy chat links and post slides to Classroom or email. This ensures everyone has resources. If you must record, confirm consent and storage location before ending. If something goes wrong, for example no camera or mic, check browser permission settings, reload the tab, and try switching USB devices or restarting the browser. Those steps solve most hardware and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.